We dey on top the issue of insecurity wey be say dey battle lot for dis country. Dis thing wey be say I wan read, so the thing dey funny for one side and the thing no dey funny on the second side. I dey tell you, the thing no dey funny unto say na the issue of insecurity wey be say all of us for dis country come dey shout. We don dey beg the government say make dem help us unto say na im dey part of their promise wey be say dem made for us before they enter. They talk say the lives and properties of all Nigerians say na their hand in dey, and dem go make sure say dem protect our lives and properties. But wetin we dey see na the opposite na im we dey see for dis country. Wetin happen of recent for Yewa North local government wey dey for Ogun State, na im be say two cleric man like that dem dey come from prayer. As dem enter their house, dem no know say na the last time wey be say dem go see, wey be say dem go step, dem go sleep from their house for now. Na im be that. Na im come make 5 kidnappers, gunmen, dey come invade their house. E come be as if say na those two cleric man, those kidnappers dem target come that house, because those cleric man dem get neighbors. The only thing wey be say those kidnappers come do be say they come collect all the phones from all the neighbors. They collect the phones from the cleric men also. As those kidnappers wan go, e come be as if say hunger come dey catch those kidnappers. Why I talk say the thing funny for one side be say as hunger dey catch those kidnappers come talk say na where person dey work na im dey chop. They come ask those cleric man wife say wetin dem get for house. The cleric man wife talk say dem get soup, dem get meat, and dem get garri, and dem get everything. Na better thing so for this economy, you still get soup and meat for house. Na im come make the kidnapper talk say make the wife of one of those cleric man say make e go prepare all eba. Say dem no dey chop cold one o, all eba, big one wey big very well, say make dem chop am before dem go. They no chop one meat, they no chop two meats. Na all the meat wey dey for the cleric man pot na im dey carry. They chop everything finish for this economy. They chop am finish. Maybe na the last card wey be say the cleric man don think say if he come back from work he go from prayer he go chop the meat wey be say you know say kidnapper sef don get plan for the meat wey be say him too get plan for. As they chop the eba and the meat finish, hot eba, and so they carry those two cleric man say dem come from for, they carry them away. And so the police come dey ask those neighbors say why they no fit attack those 5 kidnappers. Those neighbors come talk say hey, if you see the weapon wey be say those kidnappers dey carry come, say hey, no be small one, na sophisticated one. Heavy weapons na im dey carry come invade their house. Now of recent now, the kidnappers after they chop eba finish, they come still get mind, they demand for ransom. How much dem demand for? They come dey demand for 15 million naira after they chop eba. See say those kidnappers no get mind. As in, they no get better mind. They no get spirit of God for mind. I dey tell you. You chop eba, you still can't get mind, still dey demand for 15 million naira. For this economy. Imagine. Anyways, the police don talk and say very soon they go to arrest those kidnappers. Say na them rescue those people wey be say kidnappers arrest for Ijebu. They say they say this one too, they can even do more than the one we say they do for Ijebu. So make we dey expect wetin our police could do. We actually trust our Nigerian police, especially for the Ogun State. We trust them. Say very soon, those two cleric men then go dey free from those kidnappers. Then we say then they. But the eba we say those kidnappers chop, the thing they pay person, you chop eba, still get mind to the demand for ransom. You know, say this issue of insecurity, the battle for this country. People they protest, say their life no they safe. Wetin dey happen? The SS or the police they arrest them. I want to say their life no dey safe. I no understand wetin dey happen for dis country. We no dey safe for dis country and no be the thing say you promise us with dis. We still dey complain. You come still dey arrest us say we dey complain. And very soon you go dey tell us say make we speak out our mind. How we wan take speak out when we say you dey arrest us? Person no get wetin dey call am? Person no fit speak anyhow he want again for dis country because he know say if he speak dey go arrest am. Imagine. No, make we imagine dis thing now. Everyday now na killings dey happen for dis country. If kidnapper no do im own, Fulani herdsmen go do their own. If those people no do their own, bandits go do im own. Boko Haram too dey go do their own. Imagine ISIS too dey go there too. IPOB too dem dey there, dey go do their own. I no come understand. Every day na so bad news. I no come understand again. Lives come dey waste anyhow. Kaduna State now. Shey we know how many people now don die now. The way they call am death toll now. Toll come become 40 now. As people say don die, e don reach 40 for Kaduna State. No wahala. God go help us. To those cleric men who say they kidnap for Ogun State, I pray say make God give what they call am the Ogun State governor, our Ogun State police people, make them rescue them quick, ASAP. God go rescue them and God go be with them. And God should help us for this country, for all this issue of insecurity that tire us for this country. Now here with the look for front. May God help us. My name na MC Top Secrets. See you in my next edition. Thank you.